Hi there, today we're going to learn how to manage an inventory on your Wix Studio website. So in order to do this, you need to have a website that is focusing on e-commerce. But in my case, I don't have that yet. So I'll just go on and create a new site and then use a studio template. And then we'll proceed to e-commerce. And then I want to use this template right here that focuses on swimwear. And then we'll wait for the website to load. So if you already have your website, you can just select it and you don't need to do the steps that I'm doing. So you'll just need to follow the following steps that I will be doing after the website has loaded. Once the website has loaded, you can now go back to the dashboard. We'll just click on this icon right here on the left and then click on dashboard, and then we'll wait for the page to load. Once that has done loading, we can now click on the catalog option here on the sidebar. Click on it and then click on inventory. So this is where you will be managing your inventory. So you can make an item in stock or out of stock. You can track the quantity of it. For example, this item, the neon dream bikini, has only 10 items left. You can just type it in there. But if it's out of stock, you can just stop tracking quantity and then you can just change the inventory into out of stock. If you want to edit the product information, you can just click on the three dots and edit the product information. And then you can just proceed to change the name of the item if you want to, change the description, change all of the other information right here, change the price. If you want to have a discount, you can change it as well, and so on and so forth. So once you're done editing your product, you just click on save, and then it will reflect on our inventory. For example, you want to also create a new product, you can just click on the new product button and then you can choose if you want to add a physical product or digital file. So once you've done that, you can add some images for your specific product, you can add some product names and all of the relevant information that we'll need to track the inventory. So once you're done, you can just click on save, but since I didn't input anything, it doesn't let me save, so I'll just click on cancel. And that is it. You can also filter some items right here. But for now, we're on products page. You can just go back to the inventory page. And you can filter inventory to track some items that you have already tracked or didn't track yet. You can search for some categories. You can search for some product names and so on and so forth. So this is where you'll be doing most of your inventory management. So if you already have some information right here, you can also view a detailed report of your inventory. Just click on the button and then it will automatically redirect you to it. And then there we have it. That's how you manage your inventory. And I hope you learn how to do it on your Wix website. And thank you for watching this video.